This container services are this ECR, this Elastic Container Registry, that is mainly for like registering the images. So say for example, share and deploy container software as an image. We are creating a Docker images, right? So we are easily able to create the library of those images Elastic Container Registry, and we are easily able to use those images anywhere else. Okay, so this Elastic Container Registry is for mainly storing the private and public images. Like we have a set of packages, right? Docker container having a OS and then some application on top of that. Those all are we creating image and storing into this. So this Amazon ECR is for a container registry purpose. Elastic Container Service, that is also like highly secure, reliable, and scalable container services. Like Amazon ECS is we are easily able to run the Docker containers for this within this Amazon Container Services. We are easily able to launch clusters, and within a cluster we are easily able to launch our containers with the launch type. By even we have a two option, we are able to launch serverless container also by using Fargate, or we are able to launch ECS ECS a launch type with EC2 instance as well. So but it is like behind the scenes, it is take care of like Docker things. Okay, and even we are able to do load balancing based architecture also. So many things possible with this. Okay, so here you can see like we are easily able to do this kind of things, like launching a cluster and then launching a services within that cluster, and some cluster particular task launching in that, and those kind of things we are easily able to do. Okay, uh, in this case. So there are two ways: serverless container through Fargate and EC2. Okay, so this is Docker based container services. Same way, this Elastic EKS, that is a Kubernetes services. So that is kind of like we are easily able to do this fully managed Kubernetes control panel. So as soon as you launch the cluster, you don't need to worry about installing the Kubernetes and all those things. So that will be behind the scenes available. Okay, so this is just Kubernetes based container services.